what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Matt Steffanina here, and today I'm going to be teaching you the very highly requested Lion King remix dance tutorial. If you haven't seen it yet, click the link down below to go check it out. This was a partner piece that I did with Everleigh. There were like some tricks in it, a lot of like back and forth. Obviously she's not here, so I'm gonna teach you the whole thing today. But there's a lot of pieces in this that are difficult. I can kind of throw around and flip her easy. I can't wait to see you guys try some of these tricks because she's a little smaller than me. So if you're gonna fall on your head, like don't kill yourself. Make sure you remix it however you need to. But I would love to see two people the same size try and do this one right here. Tag me in that cover. We're gonna be reposting them on my page on Epic Dance Videos. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also the bell to turn on notifications because we're dropping new tutorials every week. And if you guys are ready, let's get started right now. All right guys, so right from the beginning, it's gonna get really interesting, especially if you're doing this with a partner that's about the same size, because you have to pick them up like they're a little baby Simba, and you're gonna hold them up high. Now, if they're too heavy to hold here, I don't know what to tell you. You're gonna have to remix it. Woody's gonna have to levitate. I don't know, good luck. But basically it starts there. I have to sing it really bad so that we don't get copywritten. Put them down. Okay, now the choreography starts. So you're gonna step on your right foot. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna push your hair out of the way, then push your hair out of the way. Then you're gonna go high and low. So this first part, just make sure it's super hype. It doesn't have to be clean. Just zoom, ha, and zoom really strong, like wop, wop, and a t, g, dot. And my heels are going with my hands. So to the right here as I open, then X, and then here. Then I'm coming up and over, zoom, foot comes in. Then you're gonna go out 2 times, like that. So when you come up and over, really big with your arms here, over all the way, and then out and out. Then if you're on my side, you're gonna go whoop, tap, tap. If you're on the other side, you can do the opposite and pull in towards your partner. Remember, all this stuff you can change to make it just one person, that's fine. Then I'm gonna go foot, hand. So I'm using my right foot, boom, I'm connecting, grab their right hand. This part, if you don't have a partner, it's gonna look a little silly. So maybe just like replace it with some freestyle. But once you connect it here, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna change sides. Then if you're on my side, you're gonna go back twice, then forward twice. And you're basically just rocking like this with your partner. So back, A, forward, A. Then you're gonna turn to the front. I did like one of these. She did it like one of these. Whatever your vibe is, like, uh-oh, what's gonna happen next? Then, this is where we set up for the big trick. Now, again, if you're the same size as the person you're dancing this with, I can't wait to see your video, because what's gonna happen is one of the people is gonna run forward and then set up, boom, fall back, trust fall, zoom. The other person is gonna come behind, circle around, and catch them under their armpits. So you're basically like hooking right underneath their armpits. Now this is actually really easy to do. It looks a little bit tricky, but especially if the person's a lot smaller, it's super easy. You're just going like this. It's like, I don't know if you guys remember, there's this toy like called Skip It, and you like hook it around your ankle and you do like this. That's all you're doing. You're just swinging them and then you go like this. Actually, if you try this with somebody and it doesn't work, tag me in that video too. I'd probably like to see that even better than a good one. So you go around like 3 times like this, boom, and then you're gonna set them down. Then you guys are just gonna slide out from each other. So I'm gonna slide a little this way. Whoever's in front slides a little to the right. Then from here, you're gonna go roll up. Then you're gonna go around your head 2 times. And we just have a little bit more, and then I'll go back and we'll do the whole thing slow from the top. So you go here, here, then just some simple like old school hip hop choreography. You're gonna go cross, and these are not good pants for this section. Cool, noted. Cross, and you go cross up, then you're gonna go circle, circle 2 times. You're gonna hit the shoot twice, shoo, shoo, right there. Then I'm gonna go whoom. And she's gonna do the same thing in front, whoom. And then this is one more trick, of course. So in this, Everleigh, I had her go into like a heel stretch, and then I grabbed her and flipped her. We'll show you that in a clip right here. Bam, whoom. That was dope. Okay, cool. Same deal. If you can't do that, replace it with anything that you can do. It could be like a kip up from the ground, or it could be like, maybe if you're doing it solo, just do the heel stretch. Or try this safely on some grass with a mat and a spotter. Cool. So you do that, and then last move, boom, just hit them with a pose, whatever you're feeling. If you want to add the ending, because we did a little, she throws it up, and then we catch, This is Everleigh's signature whoa. She taught me like this. So you can definitely put that at the end too, but guys, that's the whole routine. Super easy, some options for the tricks, and you guys got it. So let's try it with counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, you go. 6, 7, you go. 1, 2, 3, hair, ta, ta, ta. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, foot, hand hop, 1, 2, 3, come back, doom. And what to the front? A, they run forward, 5, 6, catch them, trust fall, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, you slide and roll up and 7, 8, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, cross up, boom, try, 1, 2, pull, heel stretch, flip, pose. If you want to add the whoop, where did it go? Yeah. That's it. All right, so you guys got the whole routine down. Now make sure you post your covers. Don't forget to tag me so I can check them out, and we're gonna be reposting a bunch of you guys. Also, subscribe to the channel because I'm dropping new tutorials for you guys every single week, and I'll see you back in the studio real soon.